Here's an HVAC tip for doing drains. Whenever you run the primary drain out of here, you can see the SS2 in there for your safety switch. Whenever you run the primary, you have to know how far that drain is running so that you know how high this unit can go up. Like, see, this unit's sitting really low, but the code says that you have to have at least an 1/8 inch fall per foot. Because it's only sitting low, the drain has to terminate somewhere close to this unit. Luckily for us, it just goes right out the wall over there, and there's plenty of fall to get over there. But you always have to know where it's at when you go to set the height of the unit in an attic.